don't know if you can see that, it's a bit breezy today. It says 1844 on it. Down at the Portland Bill, and here's the lighthouse. It's a bit grey and dull today, and too breezy for eye bragging for the drone. I mean, I can fly the drone down here, but not today. I came down in the off chance we could do it, because it didn't give it too bad inland for the weather. But you can see the waves coming up. It's just it's too breezy like. So we might just go for a wander along the shoreline and see how it is. A bit longer. Where did we go? Where's the way up there? See what it's like away along here. Let's see if we can see the waves coming down. See if I can get it. Not got any more. But there's metal. Put the things over there. Blocks of stone on them metal things and swing them out to the boats. Yeah, cold. Right then. Still blowing quite breezy. Some sort of little boaty over there. Floating by. Don't know if it's a fishing boat or a little ferry boat. Can't really see, the sun's in my eyes. Looks like a fishing boat. So, just stumble on the rocks here. And, I don't know what that is. Here's a big rusty old chain and yoke. Be a bit breezy, and here's the big chunks of rock, Portland stone. This one, it looks like seabed rock. This one, you can see all the seashells in it. And I'm over on the edge now. Yeah, this thing looks a bit of a rusty old structure. Been here for lots of years. Portland Bill. I'm waiting for a nice wave to come in and splash against the rocks. Oh yay, very nice. The wind's picked up a lot. I've walked around the coast a wee bit, not much, not very far, half a mile. And it's still, rattling. It could be down here, it's no better. Beautiful. I love the old sea bashing against the rocks.